Lithuania has a very special place in my heart. Here is where I was born and where my roots are. No matter where my career takes me, it's a big honor to come back to this beautiful, authentic land and share the best I achieved abroad with Lithuanians that are always warm and welcoming.
Kaip įeis pafilmuosi, ne? Aš sutiksiu. Liko 3 minutės iki atėjimo. Televizijai visi gerai jaučiasi, nes pakėlėjimas, praeini pro vartus televizijos, jau esi kitoks. Skirtinė laida, skirtinė aplinka, skirtinė asmenybė. Ginta to atvyks, pasipuoš, pasiruoš ir pirmin.
Today, to welcome me at the studios, there is Vitalis, a well-known Lithuanian artist and designer working in television since more than 20 years.
Cause I need to find it, but I can't find it. So complicated.
Hi guys, welcome to the National Lithuanian Television. I remember this place that didn't change at all when I was 17 and I did the show Top of the Pops. I was already singing my first song in Italian. It was called Bambolina. See you later on stage.
Losing my mind, it's my right. Gotta let you go, cause I can't control you. And this time, feeling alive. Not afraid to go, cause I can't control you. Cause I can't control, cause I can't control you. Not afraid to go, cause I can't control you. Cause I can't control you.
Beat us in this little break. What is your secret ingredient to stand out from the crowd?
Well, unfortunately, he or she has to have the looks. Yeah, you know, it would be a little bit difficult to spot the camera. You have to have the looks. You have to be able to improvise and think fast, because many times things on set change very quickly.
Excuse me for interruption.
Yeah. And you have to be able to speak correctly. I mean, to be good at speaking. That's it, because you have to know many words and be good with these words. So you have to read lots of books.
Rule number 1. Master your speech.
Gotta let you go, cause I can't control you. And this time, feeling
The night is young and we're about to go live on Power Hit Radio.
Labas, Power Hit Radio klausytojai, sveikiname su jumis dar kartą ir žadėjom svečių, ypatingų svečių. Jų ir yra. Labas, Ginta.
Sveiki, labas Vilnius.
Kaip tu gyvuoji?
Labai gerai.
not afraid to go, can't control.
I am a radio host for almost 6 years, all in all. We live in this time that you have a mobile phone. There is a camera, there is a voice recorder, there is everything. So what do you want? You want it to be on TV? Just try to film yourself, introduce yourself, be on YouTube, on Facebook, just create content. If you want to be on radio, record your voice and send it to all radio stations, as I did. Just do it.
Rule number 2. Just do it. Kaip sekasi?
Gerai.
One of the biggest trend-setting and influential Baltic music producers of all times is Leon Somov. I'm truly happy he agreed to open the doors of his personal studio for all of us today.
So complicated, can't escape it. Nothing can stop me when I fight.
Hello, my stage name and my full name is Leon Somov. I'm a music producer, making music and performing for more than 10 years professionally. I was 13 years old, and there was that moment, I don't know what happened, it just popped into my head. That's it, I want to make music, I want to be a music producer, this is what I want to do. And from that time till now, I feel passion for music. I really love what I do. People, intellectual people, smart people, inspires me. I like to ride a bicycle actually, and when I do that, I don't use my phone. I don't listen to any music. I just staying in the nature, and my mind has to be focused. So then I can do things. When I get first ideas of the song, I momentarily get like a vision of like a big picture, how it's gonna be, how it's gonna sound. Work on your idea. Idea is the first thing I would say. Don't react too much to other people's comments. Absorb them and keep some things in mind, but don't lose the very first idea. Try to work with people that is better than you. In that way, you will learn new things. You will become a better person, just better at what you are.
Rule number 3: work with the best and learn from the best.
I do it every time. I love to work with people that is better than me, smarter than me, and it inspires me.
And our next stop is Switzerland, where an exclusive meeting with a world-class music star is waiting for us.
So close to hell, all my life, all of my dreams.
Find out the success rules from DJ Antoine. Subscribe to my channel.